There's a reason we named ourselves Tomorrow 8 Today, because we believe the work you put in now should actually build something for what's next, not just check a box. We get you leads, we get you customers, paid ads, analytics, video, whatever marketing you need. We'll monitor and update your website and keep it going. We handle all of it. You run your business. We run your marketing. One monthly price. No surprises. Need something more? We're here to serve you. We'll build AI tools designed around how your business actually works. Not generic solutions, but tools built for your workflows, your team, your customers. And when you need something, just submit a ticket and we get it done. No chasing anyone down, no waiting weeks for a callback. We track everything. Every dollar, every click, every lead. You'll always know what's working and what's not, because you deserve to see where your money's going.
The way we serve clients is simple. Christ served us first, so we serve others. Colossians 3:23. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart as working for the Lord. You'll get a team that shows up, follows through, and actually cares whether your business grows. That's Tomorrow 8 Today. Real results, real people. Let's grow your brand.
We are Tomorrow 8 Today.